that, don't you remember? What you reading there? Or what reading?
I've been working on this paper about uncertainty.
Uncertainty. What uncertainty of what?
Well, like, you know, like the fact that you can't figure out certain stuff. Like even looking at stuff, like changes how it is. It's like if I want to measure how long this book is, I get a ruler, but then the ruler weighs something so it like stretches out the book, and so it's longer.
What's that like quantum mechanics or something?
Yeah.
I disagree.
What?
Okay, listen, I think that people in general are just ignorant, all right? We just don't know. That's what it, just give me that, all right? This book's upside down. Man, all right, came up to me. I was back out in the pickup truck with Betsy, all right? Was out there in the stars, looking at the universe, thinking about all the things that could be out there. This man watching the middle field that came up to me. You know what he said to me? He was talking real wide, had this big old top of hair. You know what he said to me? He said, "The great initial success of quantum theory cannot convert me to believe in that fundamental game of dice. I am absolutely convinced one will eventually arrive at a theory in which the objects connected by laws are not probabilities, but conceived facts." Do you know who told me that? Do you know who told me that?
I don't.
Albert Einstein. God doesn't play games of dice.
But that just doesn't make any sense.
Why not?
Well, look at like electrons, electrons. If you try and figure out an electron's momentum, you forget or can't find out a bunch of stuff about its position. When you figure out a bunch of stuff about its position, you know less about its momentum. So the two are mutually exclusive, but obviously both those things are true about electrons. So like the only way that we can't be able to observe that stuff is because it's impossible to observe.
Why, Christian?
Listen,
Okay.
I want to talk to you about first piece.
Alright.
Because I've been taking this class. There's this guy in Denver. He's a nice guy.
Wait, so you know what we're talking about?
He's a nice guy. And
Okay.
we've been talking, I've been thinking about first piece.
Okay.
About how, listen.
Okay. Oh, alright. So, excuse me.
See, now imagine if you had caught that first piece.
Yeah.
It's like an entirely different possible universe.
Whoa, man.
That's what electrons are like, man. Like, every possible action, there could be a possible outcome. It could happen. We just don't know if it can because we're stuck in this
Universe?
What he said.
that one.
Alright. We're getting somewhere. Alright, guys, we're getting somewhere.
I think.
Shoot. But listen, shoot.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright. Listen. David Bohm thinks differently. Right? You know what I'm talking about? David Bohm.
Who doesn't take it?
Alright, listen. David Bohm thinks that's not the case. He thinks that possibly everything at the atomic level itself is predetermined by something, some natural, unexplainable force, and then that is the reason. That's the reason why everything's the way it is, and it's just by chance. And we don't know those things, and that's fine. We just gotta give it time, and we will learn. But we gotta let that nostalgia of the past go, because we don't know. You know what I'm saying?
Listen, that could be true, all right? We could, there could be this unknown force, but that implies there's a future, a known future that can't know what's gonna happen, it just happens. And what's happened, it happens. Until it happens, anything could happen, but before that, like nothing has happened.
Speaking of uncertainty, have y'all seen that new Avengers movie? Three. 1, 2, 3.
If you're lost and you look and you will find me, time after time. If you're lost and you're looking, I will be waiting, time after time, time after time, time after time.